So, this is how to uninstall Microsoft Edge on Windows 11, fast and easy. You are probably here wondering why the uninstall option is grayed out. That's because Edge is built into Windows as a system component, so it can't be removed the regular way through settings. But there's still a way to uninstall it manually using a powerful free uninstaller. Head to your preferred search engine and look up Wise Uninstaller. Click on the official Wise Uninstaller website at the top of the search results, then hit the free download button. Wait for it to download. It's a small file, so it should finish quickly. Once it's done, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder and launch it. Click the Install button. The installation process should be quick. When it's finished, uncheck View the User Guide, but leave Launch Wise checked. Then click Finish to open the program. Now in Wise Uninstaller, search for Edge using the search bar and click on it. You'll see an option for Safe Uninstall, but that won't work for Edge, so go straight to the Force Uninstall button. But be warned, make sure you already have another browser installed on your system. Otherwise, you won't have a way to access the web after removing Edge. So, click Force Uninstall. When the prompt appears, click Yes. It's just recommending Safe Uninstall as a best practice, but I'm skipping that here because it won't work for Edge. The program will scan for all the associated Edge files and list them for removal. Now just click Remove to delete them. There might be some failed deletion attempts, like these 2 registry entries, but that's okay because those are system protected and won't affect the removal of Edge from your user environment. Just click OK to proceed. Next, select the Metro Apps section and delete Edge there too, using Safe Uninstall. Then go to the Browser Extensions, Edge section, and remove any listed add-ons. It may freeze for a moment while deleting. That's normal. Confirm the deletion when prompted, then restart your PC. After the restart, check if Edge is still there. It's gone. And there you have it, Edge successfully uninstalled. If you found this guide helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video.